Greetings, Megashed update. Megashed update part 2. Fitted the diesel heater. So you see earlier I'm quite pleased with the remote control. I can switch this on and off from the kitchen. So just switched it on maybe half an hour ago. It's 17 degrees in here, feels quite warm actually. So I've got it, fuel tank down there, diesel, and I've got rigged up to 12 volt batteries. So it's normally should be running in a vehicle. They're designed to go under the vehicle seats in a camper van. So the controller on it, I watched lots of videos on how you can adjust the fan speed and the pump speed to control the richness essentially and the air fuel ratio, but it seems that my controller doesn't do any of that. It's a different type, so I'll probably just be using diesel, but a lot of people have been using waste engine oil, chip oil, etc. But that could tend up sutting up the unit a bit. So I think maybe I can go to 50%, 50-50 diesel and engine oil. But I'm quite pleased with that. Elsewhere in the Megashed, I've got both of the bikes in here. Not done any posts for ages because I've been too busy racing. Nearly end of season now. Both bikes are needing some maintenance, as you can see from the rear tyre on this one. So all set up for a winter of some tinkering. Megashed out.